The man accused of firing his gun in downtown Brooklyn Tuesday repeatedly threatened to shoot someone during a phone call with Greene County dispatchers. 75-year-old Paul Douglas was arrested shortly after the incident, which prompted election officials to move the village's polling location. Douglas has since been charged with making terrorist threats, among other charges. Prosecutors allege the incident started when a tree management company showed up in the area. Douglas claimed the workers had arrived to cut down his tree, telling Greene County dispatchers he was, quote, going to start shooting people. But the crew's foreman says they were there for a tree across the street from Douglas. Douglas's next court appearance is scheduled for Monday.